Well, hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd do another FaceTime. Like I said, I'm over the hair and makeup, so this is what I look like after doing a hard day of work. I just wanted to pop on here. I have done some hauling and I have not shared any of it, so I thought I would take a moment. And I guess just, I know that there are tons of channels that have already done the Mani by Me box for Maniology months ago. Probably. I get mine so late that I don't even see the point. So I do have these and I will be using them in some manicure soon. You know, the two plates and the polishes and the little card holder, brush holder thing. I thought that was cool. I did want to talk about it, but yeah, like I said, Gylene's done videos. I'm sure Jilly's done videos, so they're out there. But just so y'all know, there'll be a video coming up with me actually just using them. Now, speaking of spontaneous purchases, Gylene did a video, and I'm sure it was like last month, maybe even longer than that, I don't know. And she had gotten the H. La Costadora. I know I'm probably saying it wrong. Let's see if it's on the back of anything, or in anything. No. So anyway, it was like a box that came with stamping plates, polishes, and, you know, some other goodies. So I had to have it. I saw it and I was like, oh, I gotta have it. So it came with this cute little, like, backpack bag. Really, really cute. I don't know what I'll use it for. We'll see. And then it came with some really nice acrylic stamping plates. And they're very, very cool. They've got Succulents. The name of the box was Succulents, and I really love these plates. I love that you can like record with them and they don't end up blaring on your footage. And so it came with the two big stamping plates, and they've just got such really pretty images on them, and I'm hoping y'all can see that good. Love these down here. Smiley face on the pot. But it also came with like a teeny tiny card or stamping plate. That one's not coming in as good. There we go. Yay! Okay, so there's that. That's really, really cute. Gylene said it was really hard to scrape and pick up the images on that. Came with a really nice scraper. Come on, camera, act right. Come on, don't make me undo everything. So it's a really nice scraper card, nice. I don't normally use big ones, but I like the firmness of this one, so it's going over there with mine so I can use it. Came with some cute stickers and 5 stamping polishes, and lily pad is green, and then super bum. Whoa! Knocking everything around, y'all. It's more of like a rosy brick color. Mine's kind of settled. I'm going to shake them up. And these are, I don't know how big these are. I don't know. And then tulip, which is kind of a peachy color. I haven't had them that long, so they shouldn't be that separated. Lithops, kind of a sand color. Taupe, not taupe, but tan. And then sunflower, which is a yellowish, kind of like a dusty yellow. So that's what it came in that. I'll be using this really soon as well. And I guess what I really want to do, I wanted to show y'all some stuff I bought. Some of this was even bought before I went on my trip. Let me pick this stuff up and I'll be right back. And I'm back. Okay, and the last, like, just mad purchase. Okay, no, not the last one. I did another one, but that's going to be a whole different video. I did an order before I left for the trip to Nashville with Moonshine Manny. I had to get caught up on the Dupe It project polishes because a lot of them that were available now, I don't have what it was dupes of, so I had to go in and buy that. And that showed up the Thursday before I left. I had like 15 polishes. So but I went to Maniology and bought some nail stickers, cute little fish, and some more seashells and stuff. And then I bought some stamping plates And I got the Kawaii Emoji BMXL 0325. And that is such an adorable plate. I just I love it. And then I also got Maniology M229. Some more of those scenes. I love these plates. Love plates that you can run across your nails. And then they had these plates that were the states. And it's Maniology M226 and 225. I'll show you 225 first. But it's like the states, and they've got like little flowers in them. So I thought, you know, if I ever needed to do like a state manicure, I would have them. I just, you know, outside the box. And then I bought another, I'm telling y'all, I can't resist a awareness type plate that does the ribbons and stuff. So Maniology's got M153, and I'm going to be mad if I look at my thing and already got this one. If I do, it'll go in the giveaway box. So that was my big Maniology purchase. And then finally, my camera is not acting nice today. I ordered from Different Dimensions. This was one of the makers that I didn't get to go to their table at the Polish and Beauty Expo. So I did go and place an order for a couple polishes, and I got a sticker. Woo! And I guess this is like a decal sticker kind of thing. And then, oh, another, this is a magnet. And I only ordered 2 polishes this time, and what did we get? I'd rather be in Nashville. Look at that. And it does really say I'd rather be in Nashville. How funny. That's so pretty. I can't wait to wear it. And then I also got Sweet as Strawberry Wine, because y'all know I got one, it was called Tennessee Whiskey, and to me, I don't know, names get me now. It's not so much colors, or colors get me too. If it's something unusual, it will reach out and smack me. But I bet I got 10 polishes that look just like this. Maybe not exactly, but very, very similar. Similar enough to where I can't justify that other than cute name. Y'all raise your hands out there if you order stuff because it's got a cute name. I'll admit it. That's me. I do it. Okay. If I can get my camera to not be flopping over. I wanted to ask you guys what kind of videos you want to see. What do you want? I mean, I'm trying to get away from just swatching this and swatching that. And the only review kind of things I'm doing right now is I'll still swatch. I'm swatching for MJ Lacquer. Will always support her and her brand. Anything she wants me to do, I'm good for it. But like Beauty Big Bang, Born Pretty, all these other people and all the dip companies and gels, I'm not accepting those things right now. I'm not saying I'll never do it again. I got enough stuff that I'm buying that are bought or own already that I want to play with. So with that, I want to know, what kind of videos do you want? And if you have any like Q&A type things, maybe we could do a Q&A type video. Just leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think, because, you know, I'm game. I've got my bucket of things that I've bought that I need to use before it gets lost in the collection. Y'all, that rat's full. So, y'all tell me if you want to see, you know, like a unicorn mani or a galaxy mani or whatever, you know, whatever kind of nail art or even technique that you want to see. I'll just grab something out of my bucket that I need to use, and I'll hop on here and make a video for you. Open to suggestions, I guess that's what I'm saying. So, that is it for me today. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I know it went kind of quick and I didn't do like detail. But like I said, on the Maniology Mani by Me box, everybody's done videos on that. That's old news now. The new box, mine has gotten either like lost or stolen in the mail, so I'm fighting with USPS to get that one. So by the time I get that one, it's going to be old news too. I'll still use it in manicures and share it with you guys, but don't come to my channel expecting to see what's in the box to see if you wanted it before it goes out of stock or whatever, because I'm not that kind of channel, I guess. I don't get mine early enough. Even when it does show up on time and everything, it's still not early enough for me to, get a video done and edited and uploaded in time for y'all to make that kind of decision. So, y'all will see me use it. I love Maniology. I use a whole lot of their products. So, I will definitely keep sharing those with you. I'm just unboxings and, hey, here's the box. That's just not working for me as late as I get mine. But if you got the box, then maybe I'll be able to give you some ideas with my nail art and stuff with that. So, alrighty, well, that's it for me today. I'll sit here and ramble all day if y'all let me. So, I guess that's going to be it. And until next time, please be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.